I got a window seat. Morning again. We're in the house now. We're at the shops. Yeah, Mum's inside the shop and she's getting something, so we're waiting. And then we're gonna go home. I'm sweating so much. Can you see? I'm sweating. Are you sweating? So hot. Just gonna wait. You wanna say something? It's the 25th today. Last night we went to church for like Christmas Eve and everything, and we stayed up till midnight and had the Christmas tea, because that's what they do here. They like at 12 they drink the tea or whatever to celebrate Christmas. And so yeah, we stayed up, but we had the whole family lunch happen. It was delicious. It was lovely. I loved it. It was beautiful. Now we're in the car and we're waiting for our auntie. She's out there. I don't know what she's doing. She's talking to somebody, but we're waiting in the car. We're waiting in the car, and after we're gonna go home and we're gonna play volleyball and stuff. Hi everybody, we just came back from the market. I'm sitting in the van with everybody. Yeah, mom just gave me a coconut. Guys, look! Oh my God. So yeah, now we're waiting and then we're gonna go home because yeah, we just finished shopping. Look at all of this stuff here. Can't see me, but yeah, that's what we did. We're gonna go home soon and do stuff there. But yeah, bye bye.
Kick me one of them funky ass beats. We gon' party until the sun comes up. 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 Now party in the party till I run through it. Pick 'em, stick 'em, stick 'em, that's how I do it. Groove it, get down, keeping y'all moving.
Hi everyone, I'm back and it's Sunday. It's been 7 days since we first got here. First week. Yeah, look at the doctor. So today was my auntie's birthday, so we're singing happy birthday. Okay, listen, bye. Yeah.
Stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Girl, I'm on my way. I needed a friend. Well, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you to the end. Girl, I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed.
When they're steaming banana, the pea.
This is where the clothes get washed.
Yeah, this is where the kanga mean.
And this is the back. Auntie, can you explain what happens in the back?
Outside kitchen.
Outside
Samoan
kitchen.
This is how we make our umu. Honey, what's it called in the Maori one? Now we roast the cocoa to make a cocoa drink.
This is the outside kitchen. There's rocks on the ground. Outside kitchen. And they're roasting beans over there. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to my favorite part, the pig. Hi. We could feed him, but look at its home. This is where the pig stays. Oh, he's walking towards us. We'll get you food. We're gonna come back. So let's move on to the next area. You see the different plants. Eggplants grow there. I don't know if you can see.
There's fruit everywhere.
Stop talking. And if you look up here, is the mango tree. There's lots of trees of fruits and everything. Look at the pineapples.
This is the mango tree.
Wow, look at that red one.
Okay.
Can you see that one?
Yeah, red ones mean they're just like one.
Okay, let's go. Hi everybody, I'm back. It is the 31st of December, which is New Year's Eve. This is the last day. This is my last day in Samoa before I go back to Sydney, which will be tomorrow morning. Right now, like right about now, everybody's going to church. I don't know if you can see, it's 10:37. Right now, I'm just waiting. I'm waiting to go back. We were supposed to leave on Sunday. We're leaving a bit early. See you. Bye. Into the plane now. Plane now. You can see behind me. Look at mom.